Okay, so I'm here with Drew, and Drew is a local guy here in Florida. But Drew, are you nervous?
Yes, I'm kind of nervous. I'm a little anxious and a little bit, kind of excited, for the future.
Nervous, excited, all of the above? All right. When did you start? How old are you now, Drew?
I'm 26 years old.
Okay. And what age did you start noticing hair loss?
I started noticing it, well, actually, my high school friends started. Kind of like, Drew, you have an ant pile back there.
Yeah.
And it was like more of like, okay, like, what are you talking about? Because it was at the crown,
Yep. It started in the back.
Yes.
Okay.
And
would they teach you for it in high school?
Yeah, they kind of did.
Okay.
And like, I didn't really know what was going on.
Sure.
The male baldness pattern. Baldness. I never really heard of it.
Right.
My dad was bald, but I didn't really think too much of it.
Right.
And I would say it started around like 17.
Okay.
And,
so that's pretty early.
Yeah, that's pretty early.
Okay.
And then around like 20, I started noticing it.
Yeah. More in the front then at 20.
Well, it was in the rear, mostly. So
yep.
It was like kind of like I had to take a mirror and kind of look at it.
Yep.
So like like just to save face, I kind of I did it. Do that. I was like, it's not nothing wrong.
Yeah, just deny it. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
And then when did you start losing it in the front? Is that just recently? Or?
Well, yeah, I would say it probably started happening when I was like 23, maybe 22.
Okay.
Because at first when I went to, I think it was Bosley's. I think I was like 20, and they basically said that you're not a great candidate right now.
Okay.
You're
because you're too young.
You may lose a lot of more hair.
Right.
And I was like, no, just fix it, fix it. And they said, well, we can, actually provide you, with the hair piece. And, that was pretty.
A hair piece at 20.
Yeah, 20.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's kind of tough.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah. So your dad is completely bald, you said? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So my dad went bald at the age of like 26, 25, 24. It was somewhere in that age, and it was kind of weird. He never really said nothing. Like my mom would joke and say, "Yeah, you're just like your dad," and I would say, "Well, what do you mean?" She's like, "Well, the baldness," and I was like, "Oh, so now it comes out the truth." So it was kind of odd.
Okay, how did you find us? I mean, I'm sure you did research and looked into a lot of different places. How did you finally find us?
Well, so I looked Google, and I've actually called a few places, and the consultation was actually awesome. I felt comfortable with the surgeon. And also online there are numerous customers happy, satisfied. The videos are also great. Just to get a first hand account of it. And that all kind of led me back here to say, what, I'll choose Dr. Huebner for my transplant surgery.
Awesome, man. And we're going to get you a lot of hair today. Don't be nervous. Nothing to be nervous about. We're going to be checking in with Drew throughout the day. But thank you again, Drew, for being one of those videos and helping people out, because they're going to be able to relate to you with their hair, and it will really help people out in the future. So, all right, man. We'll see you in a little bit.
Awesome.
Okay. I'm here with Drew and Leah. So Drew has at this point completed his surgery, and he's here with his daughter and his family. I just want to kind of point up here and kind of show people what we did. So we basically recreated his hairline. I'm going to come around the back here to show the crown. So we filled in the crown. I'll put some pictures up there too so you can better. But overall, how was your day, man? I know the anesthesia is kind of wearing off. You feel tight?
Yeah. It was actually pretty sweet.
Okay.
Easy going. The staff was great, friendly,
good.
Compassionate.
Good.
Not too much pain.
Okay. Okay, good.
But all in all, it was actually a great day. Awesome experience.
Excellent, man. Well, I appreciate you showing people, and we'll be following up with the results. And that's the most important thing. So, all right, I'll see you later.
Awesome, thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.